Today, I'm gonna cheat and probably piss off all the purest street photographers. I've been waiting for a good rainstorm for a while now, so I had the idea to dress up Lamont as this 1930s businessman, Peaky Blinders looking character and follow him around the city while, you know, God dumps a fat load of piss on us. I was actually looking up best ways to describe when it's raining, and this was by far the best one. Tonight's artillery is the Sony a7R IV, Sigma 105mm, Sony 50, and a Sigma 35. And just quickly, all the photos you will see tonight are edited using my V4 presets, which will be out in June, but I do sell other presets on my website, and there's a link in my description if you're interested.
Maybe we can even start here actually. Why don't you stand in the middle under the bus stop there? Dude, that looks amazing. First shot of the night. Let's try a really slow shutter. This is so perfect. Why don't you try standing here, just in the middle of this whole frame? Even back a bit further. Tonight I'm on the 50mm. Well, I'm just decided to start on the 50mm. Sick. Yeah, let's make a move. Let's walk over to the MCG. Yeah, why don't you walk a bit more towards me? God damn, it is fucking pissing down. Come back this way. That's sick. Maybe one a bit closer. Stop there. Go a bit back. Go a bit back. I love the top hat. Wow, these look amazing. I'm getting fucking soaked, but it's amazing.
Wait, can I get in the photo?
Yeah, go for it, boys. Yeah, go. Can you all squish in? Yeah. That's mad. That's proper.
Thanks, man.
Enjoy, boys. Take it easy. Let's just take a little step. Oh my God, it is pissing down. Oh, wow. Fuck me. We have to get out there, bro. Well, let's get out there. Let's get out there. Oh my God. It is properly raining. This is proper Melbourne weather tonight. Holy shit. I hope my camera survives the night and my microphone. Walk the other way around. Walk to the left. Yeah. To the right, a bit to the right. What a hack, bro. It's actually just the biggest hack. It looks so good. Let's cross the road. Dude, my camera is soaked. Far out. Yep, let's cross. Usually when I swap to the 105, I always regret not using it sooner. So hopefully that isn't the case tonight, because I feel like I got some really cool pictures on the I feel like I got some really cool pictures on the 50mm. Sigma 105, let's make it work. Wow, that does look amazing. Is that a Miata? Oh, it's a Ford Capri. Go Ford Capri. Wow, this is such a cheat code. I cannot believe the pictures we're taking tonight. Yeah. Take a step down. No, this way. Watch out, Faye. Sick. Sick.
Trying to get a one-off shot of that would be difficult.
Yeah, it was. But maybe I could work with it.
Oh, you can work with it.
Maybe we go on the tram tracks, actually. Yeah, hold it there. Hold it. Just hold it. Walk towards the tram. Holy shit, bro. Doesn't stop.
My God.
Hold it there. Just stop there. Very good. Yeah, go back and cross. Yep. I think I got a bit of lightning in that as well. I think we just found a sick shot here. Oh yeah, so my camera keeps coming up with this notification now. Every now and again you might see it throughout this video. I don't know what it means or what's happening, but it's definitely something because of the amount of rain shooting I do. Yeah, that notification. Sick. Real quick look going. Don't know about those ones.
Yeah, wow.
Something you'd never look at.
Wow.
I love this one.
Jesus Christ.
Squire McSquire-Enos is back, everyone. Yeah. Look at him go. Yeah. Scaling those stairs. Let's walk over here a bit. Yeah, I love these holes though. We can definitely put them to use. Wow, look at the city. Can barely even see it. Wow, this looks incredible. I'm gonna stand back here. Just walk across. Yeah. We'll be so surprised if my camera survives this. Now walk towards me. Wait, stop it there. Can you look that way? As in turn your body. Actually, no, front on's better. Yeah, but looking that way. That's good. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I want to set up a shot where I'm like sort of shooting through you. Yeah. Even let's try it a bit further over here. Can you duck down a bit actually? Yeah, anyway, whatever. I don't think it's really working the way I wanted it to. But they've got these disgusting purple lights on at the moment. That's gonna be a bitch to edit. I already know. Oh, look at the fog. Go down to where that black fence line is and then walk back to me. I'm gonna use this light up here. Right, that one. There's a little bit of a lens flare in the sky. Yeah, now walk back to me. Bit this way though. Yeah, good. Yeah, walk that line now to me. Looking that way. And now the other way. Wow, dude, these photos are gonna look amazing. And now back the other way. Wow.
That's pretty sick. I love how I'm living vicariously through my stuff.
Oh yeah, hold it there.
Can go the other side?
Yeah, yes please. Damn, that is so cool. Can you, yeah, look that way? Yeah. Wow, dude, these fuck. That is so cool. Let's try the other side. More city. Can't wait to bluify these. Oh yeah. Whoa, that's so cool with the train tracks. Can you lean over a bit? You actually look like Sherlock Holmes. Oh, let's try some here. Start walking up to the safety car.
You want me going?
Just up to the safety car. Yeah.
Just like keep walking towards it.
Yeah. I'll tell you, I'll yell out. Oh, this fucking camera, bro. God damn. This is so sick. Oh. Okay, that's it. I'm done. No more.